So now go to your 3D shapes categories here, click on the 3D sphere, click drag on your canvas, holding shift so that you have an equal size. Now change the color to yellow and now move it here. Now go to stickers and now choose the eye, click and drag on the eye, move it to this point, duplicate or clone it, and then drag it to this point and now click the check mark. Go to your stickers once again. Let's choose the happy smile. Let's click and drag here, increase it to this point and now check mark. Now let's create the tears. So go to your 3D shapes once again and then choose the 3D doodle, the first one, tube brush, and now select the small to big and now click drag here and now click the check mark. Now that we got this, now let's move this one into perspective and drag it inside here. Now rotate it like this. Now let's Ctrl C, Ctrl V on this again and then move it to this point, rotate it to the other side, move it here, use the perspective and drag it inwards, and let's drag it out a bit and then move the perspective again and drag it inwards. Good. So now we got our simple, let's select all. Now we can rotate and scale it, and we got our simple laughing emoji. So yes, if you enjoyed this video, please kindly subscribe and leave a comment and let me know what you want me to create in Paint 3D or Blender.